Hello, my name is Aubree. For those who have not been here before, welcome to my channel. For those who have, welcome back. Thanks for being here. I'm excited today because I'm going to do my November unboxing for my Boxy charm. I actually am so excited because I didn't think I was going to be able to do this before I went on my cruise, but it came in the mail and I figured I might as well just do this video real quick for you guys. I am pretty sad though because I got it, I saw it like laying on the table and I brought it into the bedroom where I do my filming and I grabbed my handy dandy gold scissors and lo and behold, it's already open. Jacob. He knows better and he definitely knows this isn't for him. Why he thinks he has the right to open my packages is beyond me. That's a conversation we'll have later. Anyways, if you want to see what I got in my November Boxy charm, then make sure you keep watching. If you like this video, then do me a favor and click the like button and follow me on Instagram. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's see what's inside this November Boxy charm. Okay, let's get right into it. I'm not going to keep you guys waiting any longer. Can't even use my scissors since it's already open, but when you first open it, of course, it's got the little pamphlet from Boxy Charm. And let's see, gives you an idea what's going to be inside. Ooh, I'm excited. Let's take a look, shall we? Of course, there's the protected foam to keep everything safe in transit. And there's all the goodies. I can't wait. So the first thing I noticed are these brushes by Luxie. Look how cute. They're freaking gold. I'm going to freak out. I'm so excited. Guys, I cannot open them. Oh, do you guys like my nails? I got them done a couple days ago. Can you see? Anyway, I'll try to show you later. Okay, so 4 brushes. Come on, get out of there. Oh. I've never used these brushes before. I don't even know if I've heard of the brand. Maybe I have, maybe I haven't. But how cute are these barrels? They're gold glittery. So we've got a mini tapered brush, a mini flat angle, then we've also got a mini angled for, like, you know, the corner of your eye and stuff. And then last but not least, a mini round. Let's see. They seem nice, definitely synthetic because of the white hairs. They're just so cute. I love the aesthetic. Aww. Keeping those. Okay, next thing in here is the Cover FX glitter drops. Ooh. Perfect for the holiday season. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that, guys. I'm all about that. Ooh, ooh, look at this. Oh, that wasn't very appealing. Let's see. Let's swatch it for y'all. There it is. That's pretty. It's not too, like, crazy. You see that nice sheen? Ooh, I really like that. Winner, winner. Okay, what's next? Okay, this is by Beaute Glittering Star Eyeliner. You see that? Sorry, I don't know why I suck at having things focus. Oh, I guess if I took the wrapper off, that would help. I'm just trying to open it without taking the wrapper off. Oh my goodness sakes. Gosh. I literally hate wrappers on cylinder items. Cylindrical? Is that the word? I'm really struggling. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna freak out and give up in a second. I don't want to use my teeth. Oh my gosh. Okay. How to use my teeth. Strike one. Holy crap. I'm sorry guys, this should not have taken that long. I'm still not done. For crying out loud. This is like super glued on. I hate it already. Okay, so this is a, can you guys see, like, can you see the sparkle in that? Yeah, you can. So let's see here. It's not really creamy. It's kind of splotchy. But I guess that's what you get for having glitter in your eyeliner. I'm not a fan of that, actually. I don't like it. One, it was terrible to open. Two, I don't like it. Okay. Now, ooh, this is nice. Bodyography Pro makeup brush cleaners, which is really good because I'm out, so this helps. Oh man. Guys, I'm just the worst. I'm sorry. I'll get better. Let's see, does it smell good? It just smells like cleaner. I bought one from Sephora a couple months ago and it was supposed to be like lemon scented, but it was nasty. I returned it. Okay guys, and then the last thing that's in this box this month is by Beaute Grandiose Palette. Let's see what the colors look like. Ooh, oh, mine's kind of dirty. It's pretty cute packaging though, look at that. No mirror, which is like the first time I've seen a palette without a mirror. But as you can see, this is like perfect for fall, so let's go. This is called Jasmine, Clove, Myrtle. I like that word, myrtle. So, ooh, crap! I just dug my finger in this one! Guys, I am struggling. Okay, so then we've got cinnamon. Then down here, primrose, where I just ruined it. You can see it in the corner. This is poppy, rose, and patchouli. I like that word too. Okay, so we're gonna go in with primrose because that's like a glittery color. You see that? Oh yeah. Let's swatch that bad boy. Oh, that's pretty and it's creamy. Ooh, it's like a matte glitter. Matte shimmer, I should say. That's really nice. And then let's go in with myrtle. Oh yeah, guys, I'm gonna be all about this for Thanksgiving. We'll do this one down here. Oh yeah, winter chicken dinner. I love that. Oh, I love it. I'm really gonna be digging this palette for the rest of fall. If my bags weren't already packed, I would have added this to my trip. All right, so of all the 5 things, there's only one thing I didn't like, and it was that stupid eyeliner. So I'm gonna be giving that to maybe a friend or a sister. Other than that, I'm really happy with everything else. I really love the eyeshadow, super creamy and pigmented. The brushes, I mean, they're not like, I don't know if I like them yet because I haven't like tried putting on makeup with them, so I'll keep you guys posted on that. Definitely love the Cover FX glitter drops, and I'm interested to see how well that brush cleaner works. So that's it, guys. I'm excited for December because that's gonna be my Luxie Boxy charm, so it's gonna be like twice as big. And so you can count on an unboxing for that. If you guys got something different in yours, let me know what you got. And if you like this, make sure you click the like button, of course. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram or to subscribe. But that's it, guys. I will see you guys next time, and thanks again for being here. Okay, I just really hated that outro, but I'm gonna leave it because I don't have time. Just know that I can do better, and I will do better. Okay, bye.